Alright, hello there folks, welcome to a new video, and today we're going to be doing the daily install series of Windows Vista build 525, whatever shit, 5259, and now we're essentially going to be doing the standard stuff, installing shit, just do whatever we need to do. Alright, Windows Longhorn, alright. Oh my god, it's something new, holy shit, it's ahem. Where have we seen this? Yep, yep. Microsoft, you really outdid yourselves here. All right. I accept. Yep, required. Why? Why do you give the person? Oh crap. All right. Advanced. New. Uh huh. All right, fine. I guess we're using the secret tool that we have always used since whenever we have this issue. All right, after doing some mandatory reworkings or some shit, we have our Longhorn build fully settled. Actually, wait, no, I lied. What the fuck? All right, shit. Ah, good. All right, we're gonna. All right, what the fuck? What? Oh, wait. uh, No, no, no. Okay, no, stop. Stop. What the fuck? What? Okay, can there what? 5 milliseconds, people. 5 whole milliseconds. How long does it? How long do you have? Like, what the fuck? So why? All right, you know what? Fuck it. Yeah, I kind of do want to test on real hardware, but I can't because I don't really have any test machines. All right, I accept the terms. Um, primary, whatever. All right, why? Okay, and that's pretty much it. All right, let's go look at the changes. Setup, blah 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 blah. Blah. Second phase has been updated with the new wallpaper. However, it still retains the federal sign, whatever. So the per Wim-based setup software to feature an out-of-base software experience, which we're probably going to have to take a look at. Or orb start button, where of course, start menu has been completely redesigned. We're going to obviously look at that. Icons have been on the right pane has been removed. They will be missed. Uh, the username and icon have been moved to the right pane. New power and lock buttons have been added. Error transparency has now been added. Classic start menu now reads Windows Vista instead of codename Longhorn, officially shifting the name from Longhorn to Vista. Well, technically no, because still see Longhorn. And basic and arrow. So essentially, we got crap that settles in the name Longhorn, basically finalizing Vista at this point. But I mean, there's still some kinks they have to work out. Curious. It's a bit less stretched. All right, see you in a bit. Holy crap, we are finishing the install. Holy crap. It's happening. It is happening. I am not sure if the bar was like that. But anyways, we are nearly done, and what we're going to be doing is we are going to be going through all of the changes. So we're going to start from the taskbar, the desktop, arrow. We don't have arrow. I don't know if SAT is going to work on this. Holy crap, this might not. Oh yeah. All right. See you in a bit. Oh my god. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. This is not the wall. Wait, hold on. Can we move that? Uh, that's a wallpaper from XP? That's pretty interesting. Alright, Acorn. Yeah, this is stuff from XP. And because of an OOBE, that technically means, uh, sure, whatever. Alright, you're ready to start. Alright, let's go. Let's start. Let me just did I just reboot the thing? What the huh? What oh. What why did it require a reboot? It just killed itself. Alright, we're going. We're going. Alright. Alright, there's no stroke needed. Oh, that was definitely some kind of weird update. Okay, wow, that's definitely wow. Fun. Taskbar has been updated with a darker look and redesigned buttons. We'll definitely have to take that. Shortcut who initially initiate Flip 3D has now been added. We'll take a look at that. Desktop a glass section will appear when desktops are hovered over. We'll take a look at that. Basic and arrow. We'll take a look at that. User account control. Where to use? What is that? Oh, use USB drives as virtual RAM drives. Quick question. Um, right, additional folders. Huh. Oh, I guess that's supposed to be our personalized computer. Oh, hold on. Hey, look at that. All right, we're gonna take a look at personalization. We don't have audio. Found new hardware installed and ready to use. I don't know if that's supposed to mean anything, but I don't. Mobility center. This thing's in a VM, so it doesn't know if there's like a speech anti-spyware. How do I get the audio? Oh, display. I sure think you're supposed to change it. All right, let's go ahead and okay, I guess we're stuck with this. Or no. Hmm. Okay, there we go. There we go. Requires our mouse. All right. All right. That's good. That's awesome. That's pretty nice. Migwigs. Oh, it's Windows secure. What the? What? Oh, okay then. Oh, wow, wow. That is definitely uh something. Media center doesn't matter. We have some changes. Hmm. Extender? We could set up. No, we can't set up an extender. That sucks. All right. Hmm. Every day we are getting closer to Windows Vista. We're getting straight up closer. The only things that are like what preventing like the fucking preventing us from like the only like the only thing that prevents us from going into Vista, making it look exactly like Vista, is the login screen, certain bugs, and then that's pretty much it. That's all there is. Games. Like, whatever. Hmm. I don't remember this. God damn it. Okay, Shanghai. How about Chess Titans? Okay, whatever, that's fine. Oh, wow. Wow, Chess Titans really decided to choke itself to death, huh? Hmm. Jesus Christ. Purple place. We have the ability to lower some crap here. The options. Comfy cakes. Want to bake? You know what? Fuck it. All right. Red, red, red. Huh. All right. That's it, folks. Oh my god. Okay, well, let's just do the fucking cakes. All right, buddy, buddy, get out. Get no, no. All right. No, no, stop. How do I? Okay, F5. Oh, show tips. I can actually. Okay, that's pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead. Get ourselves some cakes. Yum, yum. I love cakes. All right. God damn it. All right. I, if this thing had drivers, we should have been able to like. All right. Heart. I think I should remind people that there is a third uh thing that's supposed to be here. We don't have that yet, so I'm wondering if that's in a later date, and I'm actually quite curious about that. Hmm. They just have four heads. They just have four heads. That's funny. That's wow. This guy is the mascot. He is the mascot. Oh, all right. Shanghai turtle, cat, crab. Let's try dragon. Jeez, I need to get video drivers for this. Hold on. You know what? Fuck it. While we go ahead and stop the video for now, let's go ahead and find drivers. So I don't know if this is supposed to be good. 5259. How the hell am I supposed? What the fuck? Supplemental drivers. What the? What? Uh, No, that's a build archive. Hmm. All right. What is the Ready boost? Win SAT. Oh. Win SAT. No system. I want to complete this action. Where is it? Where is it? You know what? Fuck it. Win SAT. Oh, yes. Complete. I think I nuked it. I think I nuked it. I think I nuked it. Hold on. Alright, so I have upgraded the virtual machine into 6.5.7 to 7.x. And hopefully what we might be able to do is we might be able to download the ultimate drivers, grab them, and then whatever we might be able to do might help us with installing Vista. Oh my god, there was a lot of crap. Wow. We okay. Can we? Fuck. Oh, switch the user. You know, I'm curious. Hold on. People near me. Oh, that's pretty interesting. The fuck is going on over at the desktop? What? Whoa, whoa, what? Yes. Uh, create a new account. Whoa, okay, that's pretty weird. Alright, how is the, torrent going? Okay, we're cool. Alright, we're great, we're awesome, we're nice, we're epic. Alright, Scheist. Jesus, alright. VMware drivers, it's an ISO. Alright, readme. What's that readme supposed to be? Hey then, no, don't ask me again. Don't, don't. Okay, I just want my drivers. Ugh. Oy vey. All right. We should be able with to 10:36. Holy crap! All right, VMware drivers. Come on, show Vista, buddy. I don't want to place you in this. Okay, thank you, thank God. All right. What do we need? Update package, whatever. Toolbox is 7.x. Toolbox. Hmm. Uh, see, the main issue is that I don't want. Okay, so might need SVGA audio, and that might be good. SVGA and audio. No, no. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to go to control panel, add new hardware. Okay, how the hell what Windows security? Where is Windows security? Because it's always saying like please add new hardware or whatever. I want hmm, go to the internet. Got rid of the iconic crap. Come on. Come on, Vista. Work with me. Work with me here. Google. Proxy. Just wait. Be patient. Probably using a lot of resources right now, so 13 days left to activate. I don't care. Also, this is the thing I am most familiar with. Have the disk. Browse. Desktop. SVGA. Think we might need VGS, VGA, or whatever. Please? Holy crap. Yes. Oh my god. Please. Please. Crap. Tend to have stability issues. It can easily crash upon simple tasks such as installing. Oh crap. The fuck do you mean you can't load a device driver? Device. Okay, device manager. Oh, uh, 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 whatever. Personalize the computer. Can we get a arrow? But we can do classic. Can do classic. Can do that. Can't do arrow though. Like you might want to reboot the computer. So, oh my God, Jesus Christ, it's so. And then once we reach Vista 7, we're gonna get the super bar. Why the is it so hard to install drivers? Also, it's the same white logo. There's definitely some like unfinished business they got. All right, this we're not cutting down the video. We're just rebooting. What the hell? Why? Why is the resolution like this? No, no. Display settings. Yes. Wait, stop. Give give me my size. What? Oh, wait, what? How do I media center? Damn it. All right. Yeah, I guess media center hates. Also, why is it big? Okay, whatever. Yeah, I think that's pretty much going to be it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.